today's project. I've already taken off the doors, just regular doors like this that were on our pantry, a little bigger than this. And then, of course, I demoed all the wood, took that off. I was thinking of putting in pocket doors, but the thing now, which are actually a lot easier to put up, are barn doors. So this is the before, and here is the final project. Barnwood doors over the pantry. I actually used new wood and beat it up with my tools and made it look old and vintage. It's easier to do that than using real barnwood, because real barnwood, sometimes some pieces are heavier than others, some pieces are thicker. It's hard to get it planed right, and you need a good balance on this system. The doors need to be able to slide easily. I put light sensors in the pantry, so when the doors open, the light's gonna come on in here. It helps the kids because they leave the lights on a lot. You can buy these systems new. If you try to get an old vintage one, they're really expensive and they don't go as smoothly as these. I've got rubber stoppers at the top, so they stop before they hit the wall. I've also got them in the middle, so they kind of pop in the middle. And I added a little touch, I added a little neodymium magnet there, so when the piece gets there, you kind of hear it go, and it clicks in place. Those are actually only vintage pieces of the door, or the handles. But there is Barnwood doors on the pantry. It is a wonderful life.